Hey, welcome to Online Moneymaker. Question for you. Do you want to be able to go into your office tomorrow and fire your damn boss and work from anywhere in the world and make money like this? Well, there is a way to do it. In fact, millions of people from around the world are already doing it. They've discovered this method and it's relatively untapped, but if you want to know what it is, you got to subscribe to the channel right now and like this video. Listen, you got to watch this whole video all the way through. You can't miss any step here. It's going to be a short one. It's only going to be like 6 minutes long. So is your personal freedom worth the next 6 minutes? Probably. Are you stuck in the same dead-end job? Probably. Would you rather go work from a beach like this? Probably. So just watch the whole video. I'm going to tell you everything. And at the very end, I'm going to give you another special bonus. So this is money making day, baby. Method I'm going to show you requires no skills, no technical skills, no prior skills, no nunchuck skills, no skills, baby. This is about as easy as it's gonna get. So if you're ready to find out what it is, let's get into it. This is Online Moneymaker. The money-making website in question is called 5Squid and is the fastest growing freelance marketplace on the planet with millions of visitors every month. It's a place where people can offer services such as graphic design and voiceover work. But if you don't know anything about graphic design and don't think you have the talent to do voiceover work, do not worry. Simply by typing in a little known category in the search bar up here, I'll show you exactly how this person is making over $60 an hour with no technical skill whatsoever. And as an added bonus at the end of this video, I'll reveal this new app that is making people autopilot money like this with no computer needed and again, no special skills required. And none of what I'm going to show you today requires any investment on your part. Yes, it's 100% free and worldwide available. So make sure you watch this entire video and possibly take notes so you don't miss any of the important steps that I'm going to be discussing right now. So in the 5Squid website, up here at the search bar, type in your message on. This is a very untapped niche that is making people like this tons of money every single day. As you can see here, this person is charging $5 American to have a custom message typed on this Einstein photo and then delivered to you. And yes, she's making a lot of money doing this, but there's a little secret that she has, and I'm gonna tell it to you right now. What you need to do is go to this website right here. It's called hetamil.com and it is 100% free. And as you can see, they make it very simple to type a custom message on either this Einstein photo, a Uncle Sam photo, or the Quaker photo. And as you can see, typing any custom message onto one of these photos takes less than 5 seconds, and you can advertise any one of these on 5Squid and charge anywhere from $5 to $10 for that service, and it takes you less than 5 seconds. And if you'd like to double those earnings, then you can take the same thing right over to Fiverr.com, another very popular freelancing website, and simply type the same thing into the search bar, your message on, and there you go. You can offer the exact same service. And who's going to want something like this? Maybe a grandma that wants to send a special message to her granddaughter on her birthday, any kind of celebratory event. The sky's the limit. A lot of people are in the market to purchase special customized messages just like this. So as you can see, this takes little to no technical skill whatsoever, and you can make money as early as right now getting started with this secret little trick. If you're smart, you'll advertise all 3 of those pictures on both 5Squid and on Fiverr, which gives you multiple opportunities to make very easy and fast money. And as an added bonus, here are 2 other freelancing websites that I really enjoy that you can make even more money on. One is called freelancer.com and the other one is called upwork.com. And yes, you just do the same thing. Type in your message on in the search bar and put your posts up there and watch this easy money come in. So simply by taking advantage of this untapped niche, your message on, you could be making up to $60 an hour every single day and work from anywhere in the world. Now it's time for this special bonus that you stay till the end of the video. So you can go to any one of these 3 freelancing sites we talked about today, and you can simply type in logos, okay? Logo making. Now, before you get scared again, this has got nothing to do with skill. I'm gonna show you exactly how to get this done for free and easy. See, people are charging $5, $10 for a logo, and I'm gonna show you how they're doing that right now. This is a 100% free website called Logo Maker, and it's basically a done-for-you logo maker. All you gotta do is, when you get the order from a customer, whatever slogan, name, you just type it all in. They're gonna give you some different industries to choose from, and then multiple different templates to go off of. This is a one-stop shop free logo maker, and so you can now advertise on all those sites that you will make logos for $10, and you're gonna get somebody taking advantage of you, and then you're gonna bring that info right over here to Logo Maker and make it for free. Thanks for watching. This is Online Moneymaker.